Hello hackers, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are diving into the exciting realm of penetration testing or pen test, breaking down the basics for you. What is it, why it matters, and how it's done. Let's uncover the essentials of pen test. Pen test is like being a friendly hacker. It's a systematic process of probing and testing computer systems, networks, or applications to find and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. Think of it as a digital health checkup for your systems. Pen test helps organizations identify weaknesses, secure their assets, and ensure a robust defense against cyber threats. Let's explore the different types. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. The first being the black box testing is like solving a puzzle without knowing what it looks like. Testers have zero prior knowledge about the system. It's about thinking like an external attacker. White box testing is the opposite. Testers have full knowledge of the system's ins and outs. It's like being a trusted insider, checking every nook and cranny. Gray box testing is, as you guessed it, mixed of both. Testers have partial knowledge of the system. It's like being a semi-informed intruder providing a balanced perspective. Now let's break down the pen test process. It's not just about poking around, it's a systematic approach. Planning. This is like gathering intel before a mission. Understand the target, its systems, and potential vulnerabilities. It's the strategic phase. Scanning is the active searching phase. Tools are used to find live hosts, open ports, and discover services. It's like the detective's work of the digital world. Gaining access is the exciting part. It involves exploiting vulnerabilities to enter the system, simulating what a real hacker might do. Maintaining access. Once the insider, the tester works to maintain the access. It's like leaving a backdoor open to see if an attacker could sneak back in. Further, we also have the analysis and reporting, where analysis is the reflective phase. Testers assess what worked, what didn't, and what improvements can be made. It's like the post-mission debrief. And reporting is like filing a detailed mission report. It outlines the vulnerabilities found, the risk they pose, and recommendation for strengthening the security. Let's talk about the tools used in the pen test. Pen test isn't just about skills, also about having the right set of tools in your arsenal. Let's explore some key tools used in the trade. In the previous videos, we have spoken about Nmap. Nmap is like the Swiss Army knife of network scanning. It helps identify live hosts, open ports, and services running on a network. Metasploit. It's like the hacker's playground. It's an exploitation framework that allows testers to automate their attacks and test for vulnerabilities. Wireshark is like the digital detective tool. It captures and analyzes network traffic, helping testers understand what's happening on the wire. That's it for this video on basics of pen test. It's all about understanding, planning, and executing tests to fortify digital defenses. Thank you, and meet you in the next video.